aloes are made for South African gardens. They're bold, low maintenance, and when they flower, absolutely electric. The birds and bees love their sweet nectar, and they don't need much from you to look spectacular. There's an aloe for every space, on balconies, patios, or windowsills. Compact varieties like Aloe Peri Peri, Little Joker, and Pink Blush bring loads of character in small containers. Medium-sized aloes like Aloe Peri Peri work beautifully in borders, rockeries, or mixed beds. And for real impact, go big with Aloe Molothii or Aloe ferox. These are sculptural statement makers that anchor a space with that wild African energy. When planting, drainage is key. For pots, use a well-draining mix with added grit or river sand, and always choose a container with drainage holes. In garden beds, mix compost and a handful of bone meal into the soil. If your soil's on the heavy side, loosen it with river sand. Aloes hate wet feet. Place and plant them in full sun and water sparingly. Potted aloes need a drink every 2 to 3 weeks. With those in the garden, a deep soak every few weeks during dry spells is more than enough. Prune off old leaves when needed and keep an eye out for pests like snout beetle or gall mite. From balconies to windowsills to garden beds and rockeries, there's an aloe for your garden at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.